Hi there. So today we will be presenting about our group NGO management system. As you can see on the main page of our system, there are a total of 6 organizations. Firstly, when you click on Soup Kitchen button, you will be brought to the homepage of Hope Soup Kitchen.
Hope Soup Kitchen is an NGO organization which aims to ensure that food is available to everyone. Hope Soup Kitchen was founded in 2018, located at Jalan Sultana, Kedah.
The menu bar above have all the pages available for Hope Soup Kitchen system such as home, login, organization information, donation, program description, registration and advertisement. When you click on the login as user, you will be brought to the login user page. After you've managed to log in, you will be brought back to the home page. When you click on login as admin, you will be brought to the admin login page. And if you manage to log in, you will be brought to the admin page. As admin, when you click on organization background, you can then edit or insert it. After finishing, click on the upload button and the information will be shown to the user organization background page. When the admin click on the advertisement button, the admin can then insert the advertisement information. After finish filling advertisement information, click on the save button and the information will be shown to the user advertisement page. When the admin click program description, the admin can insert or edit information about the program. After filling the information, if the admin click upload description, the updated information will be shown on the program description page. If the admin click upload registration fee, the fee will be shown to the user on the virtual run registration page. After filling the information, click on the add button to add the information to the table. If you wanted to edit a certain information, edit first on the text field and then choose a row that you wanted to edit and click on the edit button. If you wanted to delete an information, choose the row from the table and then click on the delete button. When you click the total button, the sum of the total registration will be shown. When you click on the upload button, the information on the table will be exported
To a text file.
If you wanted to print the information, click on the print button. All of the buttons function exactly the same for all the registration and donation page. If the user wanted to register for the Soup Kitchen program, the user just have to click on the registration Soup Kitchen. Then the users can register. When the admin click on the menu set price button, the admin can then set the donation price for each session. After filling the price, click on the set button and the price will be shown to the user. After finishing the donation by set, the total donation will be calculated and sent to the finance when we click on the total button. The admin can then do the calculation by inserting the amount and clicking the calculation button. After that, the admin can click add to add the information into the table. After finishing, the admin can choose to click on the upload to upload the table information into
A text file.
or the admin can print the finance report by clicking on the print button. The user can also choose to donate with their own price by clicking on the donation own price. Same as the donation by set page, the total donation will be calculated and sent to the finance when you click on the total button. And that's all how the Hope Soup Kitchen system functions.
I am Najibah, going to present about Cahaya Cancer Association. This project will show how Cahaya Cancer Association provides social services, especially to those who had cancer. The homepage frame that contains 4 J buttons is named as About Us, Event, Admin, and Donate. If you click on the button, then the homepage frame will dispose and other frame will appear. I just use text field to display the association informations. Home button is used for the user to return to the home page. For donation frame, I use text field for user to enter the information like amount that they would like to donate. Then donate button is for calling the J option pane to show the donor's detail. It also will sum up the donation. I also use get total donation method in order to return the total donation received. For admin login frame, in order to log in, I had set the username field and password field to Neji and XYZ987. If admin do so, login successful message will pop up, and this frame will dispose as the new frame, which is admin page, will appear. J button is used here to call another frame. For example, if click on the finance button, then you will be directly to finance frame. For advertisement, I use get voucher method that return voucher in order to get the amount voucher received. When update button is clicked, the text in voucher field will get the text and pass the data to J text area in event participant frame. I use combo box for event and time date, the selection control structure, if else also used for execute a block of code if a specific condition is true. Confirm button used to transfer all the data to the table. Update button used to update the data but must select the row first. Function of upload button is to export the data to the file in laptop. To delete the data in the table, select the row first, then click delete button. Reset button is for start the registration from the beginning. The J button in participant registration frame has the same function as event participant frame. Lastly, finance frame. For this frame, I also use the same J button like before, except for calculate button. That button will calculate the total fund, total event fee, total expedition, and total balance. The data in donation field is from the donation frame as I had passed the data using get total donation method. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Jie Hui, 279096. Some with us the NGO organizations corporations use the financial ratios to invest in this program and also initiative that build a better relationship between the different ratios in this community and ratios of these missions. So in briefly, some with us missions stand up for prohibitions of racial injustice and also fairness. So come back to these applications. First it comes with the login pages. They are the user. They need to select a login option as a user and gain a username and password. If they doesn't have an account, they need to create a new account by click the sign up button. So by setting new username and the password, make sure both passwords are same. Then click submit. They will ask you to click to agree. Then it will appear a message that user signed up successfully. Then you can back. Make sure to click the user and fill it. If you wrongly, it will ask you to reset and re-enter again. Now login successful, you will come to the sum with us. At the right panel, we'll show up the about us, our resource, and contact number locations. If the user want to view the event descriptions, they can click here to view more recent event button. To come the event windows. Here got the recent campaigns A, B, C, D. They can click one to choose it and view the event description. By here to see the poster and the event info at here as the name, the day, the location, and the event fees. So after they view all the information by the event description at here, they can choose at here A, B, C, D with the event they will prefer to participate. Such as B, they choose B, then click the event registration at here. It will come to registration window and it will bring to here. They need to fill all the information at here. Name, the age, the center, select the range, email, contact number, and the donation. So they can add the record at here. If they want to delete alone, they need to select alone to delete. If they want to update the information, they can choose at here. Choose alone to update it. Then it will update successfully. If they want to print, they can click the print to connect with the printer to print it. And reset button is to clear all the information at here, then they need to re-enter the information. So after that, they upload, then it will appear the message data exported. Here is the information that just now uploaded. Now they click, if they fill all the information here, and they can click the donation, either choose a donate method, either cash, credit, debit, or online banking, they need to click this button to select it. And need to click the request number and confirm it. But if enter wrongly, it will ask you to request again, then click it. Then the donation done and the registration also done. It will come to the advertisement windows, and here got the discussion about the advertisement about the lucky draw, how to join the event and the step. So and here is the social media button to view the link. Once they click the exit button, it will come back to the login. So if they are the admin they want to log in, they have two admin, either admin 01 or admin 02. So I will using the admin 01 and log in. It will come to here. And this is the admin windows. So they can edit the information about us just now one. So I update this. This is example, and I set the value at here. It is also can edit, and they can attach a picture at here. It will show the path of the image. They click the upload button at here. They will appear a message at here. Data exported 2 times because it will upload the edit about us and also the advertisement description. So I'm going to see the finance. Alright, then just now I set the value. I'm as a admin. I set the value at here. At admin pages, it will bring to here. And they need to enter the event fees, the participants' numbers, and click the button to calculate it. And this is to calculate the net profit. Now, if they want to view the statement, they can click the print, but this doesn't print connect with the printer. It will direct go to the text file. So now admin will go to the text file at here. So it will print the statement like this at the text file. So click reset, it will clear all the information here. So just now if the admin is setting all the things and they can view at here the main menu panel. Yeah. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Chun Long, matrix number 279645. For my part, I am going to present the Volunteer Teacher. SOL247 is an organization that empowers the poor and underserved community through various education and social empowerment programs. It was set up at Cahaya in 2007. Aside from that, our organization always organizes some event to collect donation and fund. Event participants who purchase more than 2 tickets will receive discount. For more information, you can contact our office or visit our official website. In the main manual, we will notice buttons such as Login, Join Us, and user can learn more about the organization work and their previous activity in the social media website. To enter the program, you can press the Login, and it will lead to the login frame. For admin, he can directly use the provided password and username to log in the admin interface. When enter the admin homepage, first we can see the login date and time shown on the top side. A logout button is located next to it. Admin can use this button to return to the login interface. In the bottom, there are 4 buttons which are Finance, Manage Advertisement, Manage Event, and Manage User Page. To access the Manage Advertisement interface, click the Manage Advertisement button. Using this function, the admin can edit the advertisement detail. In the text field, the admin must input the ticket quantity and the discount rate. Then click the Submit button. The advertisement information will then be shown on the user page. To access the Manage Event interface, click the Manage Event button. Manage Event function allows the admin to delete event or add new event. To confirm the modification, the admin must click Submit after finish the editing. Click the Manage User Page button to open the Manage User Page interface. Admin can update the organization description, vision, and mission in this frame. Then after clicking the Submit button, all of the information will appear on the user homepage. To log out, go to the admin menu and select Logout. In order to log in as a user, the user must first enter his username and password. Users who are using the program for the first time must register before sign in. Users are required to fill in their username, password, and confirm password. After filling out the requirement information, user must click the Register button to confirm the action. Once the user has successfully registered, the program will display the name, password, date, time in the table. The user may return to the login interface by clicking the Click here to back to login. After return to the login page, user just need to enter the username and password that had registered just now. Then click the login button to enter the user homepage. In the user homepage, it will display the organization description, vision, and mission. To access the event frame, select event from the menu on the left side. The user may view advertisement, information about upcoming event, such as event name, date, time, location, and ticket price. Click the register button to sign up for the event. The user may register for the event by entering all of the required information. Then click the Add Record. The total price and the discount will directly show in the table. To clear all of the text box, the user can click the Reset button. To update information, the user must fill out all of the text box, then pick the row that need to be updated and press Update. The table may be printed by using the Print button. The user can remove a row by selecting it and click the Delete button. If the user wishes to upload the data, they may do so by clicking the Upload button, which will export the data to a text field. In the left side menu, click the Donation button. The user may put in their name and donation amount in the text box. Then, to submit the donation, click Donate. The user may print the receipt by clicking the Print Receipt button. If a user wishes, they can register as a volunteer teacher. After filling the information, to complete the registration, click Add Record. The user can click the Reset button to clear all of the text field. The user can update or correct the new information by selecting the row need to update, then click Update button. The table may be printed by using the Print button. The user can remove a row by selecting it and click the Delete button. If the user wishes to upload the data, they may do so by clicking the Upload button, which will export the data to a text field. To log out the user page, go to the top side and select Log Out. Amount of event sales and total donation collected will be received from the user page. As a result, the admin just need to input the expenses for utility, advertisement, and event. Once the admin press the Submit button, the program will immediately count the total income, total expenses, and total net income. The financial report will display on the right side. The user can also click the Reset button to clear out the text field. That's all from me, thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Chyi Min and my phone number is 2799673. My organization is Children Protection Society. Our organization goal is provide children at risk with a safe, supportive environment conducive to their healthy development. Now I will present for my system. This is my main page, has 3 buttons, which is participant, admin, and exit. If you is at admin, press the admin button to log in. In admin page have 4 buttons, which is company button, advertisement button, event button, and finance button. The company button is to manage the company background, such as organization name, address, contact number, and website. After filling the detail, press the confirm button and then press back button. Next is advertisement button. The advertisement page is to manage the advertisement for the event. After fill out the amount and the discount, press the confirm button. Next is event button. The admin event is to manage the event description. After filling the event description, event name, location, date and time and fee, add the add button and then add the confirm button. The confirm button is to save the event description and the reset button is to reset the all data back to the default setting and the delete button is to delete the event. Next, if you is an participant, press the participant button. In the home page have 3 buttons, which is company button, event button, and register button. The company button is to view the company background, and the event button is to view the advertisements and the event description. In the event page have 1 button for register. Press the register button to register the events. After fill in the all information and select the event and fill in the donation, press the add button to register. And the reset button is to reset the all data back to the default setting. And the update button is to select a row and then update the new information. And the delete button is to select a row to delete the information. And the print button is to print the table. And last, the upload button is to save the all information in the table to the text file. Next is finance button. The finance button is to manage the finance. Inside the finance page, the event cell is come to the amount event cell is come to the total price participant, and the utility advertisement and event expenses is need to after insert the amount, press the submit button to calculate the net income. This is for my part. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Lim Zhun Wei and my matrix number is 279632. It is an honor to be here to present my part which is related to gender discrimination, and I decided to use UN Women as the organization to continue for my topic. UN Women was established as part of the UN reform agenda, bringing together resources and mandates for better effect. It brings together and expands on the outstanding work of 4 formerly separated UN agencies that focus only on gender equality and women empowerment. The HQ of UN Women is located at New York City. The organization goals are aimed to elimination of discrimination against women and girls and also empower women. So this is the interface that once the user chooses gender discrimination in main page, the user can choose their identity whether they are participant or admin. For participant, they will go into the event description and see all the event detail. Then they can register by pressing the register button. So user can choose the event they wish to participate and fill in their information. Once they're done filling the registration information, they will just kindly press the register button and the system will show the text reduction and will submit into the table. And the upload button will upload all the table into a TXT file. If the user wish to print the table, can press the print button and the reset will reset everything to default. And the update is to update the participant information and delete the selected row, and back will go back to the page. And the back will go back to the main page. If the user is an admin, then the user is required to enter the username and password. Once the user login successful, they will come into administration to choose whether they want to edit the advertisement or to see the sales. For advertisement, can see the event advertisement detail. So after edit, can press save and the participant will see the edited information. If the admin wish to see the sales report, can press the sales report and check all the event detail. And the admin is required to enter the event expenses and other expenses in order to calculate the total expenses. Next, they will go into finance. In the finance, can select the month and select the event. So the total expenses and the income will auto calculated. The admin just have to insert the total sponsor. And press the calculate button to calculate the net income and income tax reduction and add record to the table. The user can upload the table to the TXT file. The admin can calculate the net profit by pressing this net profit button, and the net profit will use the net income, deduct the net income tax reduction, and get the overall net profit. So the reset, delete, print, and exit button and the back button is same as the function as I mentioned just now. That's all for my presentation, but thank you.